Trigonometry is the study of the properties of triangles. This branch of geometry has numerous practical applications, as trigonometric concepts are used not only to measure angles and distances, but also in the study of periodical phenomena. In physics, it is often necessary to know the orientation of different quantities. Trigonometry allows us to determine the angles using the relations between the different sides of a right triangle. By definition, a right triangle is the one having a right angle, that is, of 90 degrees or pi divided by 2 radians. The two sides of the triangle forming this right angle are called legs, while the third side is called hypotenuse. If we take one of the angles that is not 90 degrees, for example the alpha angle indicated in the image, the side of the triangle forming that angle along with the hypotenuse is called adjacent leg, and the other leg, placed opposite to the angle, is called opposite leg. It is important to bear in mind that a leg will be adjacent or opposite depending on the angle considered. If instead of alpha we take the angle beta, the roles will be swapped. The lengths of the three sides of a right triangle are related through the well-known Pythagoras theorem. If we have a right triangle like the one displayed in the figure, the basic trigonometric functions are defined as follows. The cosine is the adjacent leg divided by the hypotenuse. The sine is the opposite leg divided by the hypotenuse. And the tangent is the opposite leg divided by the adjacent leg. Since the definition of opposite or adjacent leg changes depending on the angle considered, the values of the sine and cosine will swap if instead of the angle alpha we pick the one on the opposite vertex of the triangle. For this reason, we have to be very clear about the angle considered and the role a given side of the triangle is playing in that particular case. All the trigonometric functions are periodic every 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians. If we know the value of some trigonometric function, it is possible to find the value of the corresponding angle by using the corresponding inverse function. The main inverse trigonometric functions are the arc-cosine function, which provides the angle alpha for which the cosine has the indicated value, the arcsine function, which provides the angle alpha for which the sine has the indicated value, and the arctangent function, which provides the angle alpha for which the tangent has the indicated value.